Welcome to a healthier, stronger you. Hello, my name is Dr. Wilco, and I want to personally welcome you to my health platform, a space designed to help you transform into a more energetic, resilient, and vibrant version of yourself. Today, more than ever, your health is your greatest asset. It's the foundation of your happiness, your family's well-being, and your ability to thrive in a world that demands so much from us. Taking care of yourself is no longer optional. It's essential. But true health goes beyond the individual. It's about living responsibly, caring for our planet, and leaving behind a legacy of well-being for the next generation. Each choice you make for your body, your mind, and the earth has the power to create a more sustainable, hopeful future. My mission is simple: to help reignite your sense of empathy, your connection to nature, and your appreciation for life itself. By making small but powerful lifestyle changes, you'll discover a new level of energy, strength, and joy. Yes, change can be challenging, but you won't face it alone. The health steps I've developed are designed to guide you gradually, helping you build a stronger immune system, a more flexible body, and the confidence to embrace aging as a graceful, empowering journey rather than a burden. Mother Nature has already given us the blueprint for living well. By aligning with these natural laws, you'll not only improve your health, but also rediscover the simple joy of waking up each morning feeling alive, capable, and ready to take on life. So, I invite you, step onto this path with me. Let's unlock your full potential together, because nothing feels better than being truly healthy. Thank you.